Hey guys, today we are with a video and we are playing. Can you guess what it is? If you guessed it, say what it is in the comments below. Yes, Subway Surfers. Okay, let's play. Personally, I really like this game. I think it's actually pretty fun. Download it and it's a pretty good game. It is free. It is a pretty good game. If you're bored or you're on a plane or like if you're somewhere. And no, they are not sponsoring this video. I just wanted to let you know about it. I'm pretty sure you guys already know about it. I will be showing some other games that I think are worth it. Oops. That was on accident. I thought I could jump. My high score. I forgot what my high score is. My high score was 13,750. Yeah. That's because I really like this game, and most of the time I'm pretty much like beat it. This is my game. I love going on the board, but the most part that I like to do is like whenever I'm on these. They like give me a really big jump. And then whenever I'm on the trains, like the moving trains, it's just good for that too. Because if you get hit by the train, they like help. It helps because then it pops or like explodes. Like on this part, I really like to use it. I get my little question box and then I go, whoa. See, like that, for example. And then you just get back to running. I really like this game. I don't want to make this video pretty short, so I don't want it to be short, so that's why I'm playing around with you. Ouch. Got hit by a moving train. Right now, I'm at the score of 5,181. Ow. It's very nice to get hit by a moving train. Like, how does it even get through that train? Like these. Yeah, these boots are like, they're bouncy boots. Like, they help you jump. I personally love this game. And then whenever you go into these, you get where you can get like one of the boards. Sorry about that. That's the ad. There's an ad. And it just came out of nowhere. I usually don't see ads on this game. But I personally don't like games like that one on the ad. It's not, like, they're just not fun. Okay, looks like I got 1,000 coins. Oh, I guess I doubled it up on accident, and that's why. Yeah, but I just wanted to let you guys know on this game, just in case you never heard about it. It is actually pretty fun. Next video we will do is probably gonna be something like, I might do just opening a package video. I don't really know, but I don't really know about my plans. Yeah, so you can get a jetpack or like one of those flying scooters. Sometimes on the jetpacks like those, you can, you'll like find one, or you can even land on the top of the building. Sorry about that background noise, I'm at home. My little brother and my mom, and yeah, that's what the noise might be. Bounty boots. Wee. Ow, that hurt. I'm acting like that's actually me. Ow, really? I got 5,000 more coins, and we'll see what we can get with that. Nope, I don't. Looks like I got. I want to see the characters. Oh yes, you can get prizes like this, and then they will give you like the keys, and then you can buy different characters. I've never liked this one because it just creepy. Like, look at this. There's Frizzy, and they're like not that cheap at all. I would suggest you to wait. They're good characters. So if you like play this game a lot, leave in the comments down below. But yeah, I just want to let you know on this game because it's just actually a really fun game like that you could just play. Like, say you're on the plane and you're so bored and your phone is charging. Like, even while it's charging, go ahead, just get on your phone, play this game. Not boring at all. Yeah, so I just wanted to share you that for this video because I know I'm posting this video while earlier I posted the video of the day, like me Roblox late routine. I know it didn't seem that much like a late routine because it became morning, and I didn't expect that my video to be that long. I just wanted to go fly, you know. Sorry if you're watching this right now and I just spoiled my other video. So yeah, sorry. This should be a quick video because I love recording for you guys. Yeah, but that's all. This video is only like 9 minutes and 7 or something seconds. So I'm just gonna end it here. Bye guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And there you go. That's all I have to say about it. Bye. Oh, actually, I want to show you about this. You can even buy your own. I don't know what this is. You can go to you do that. You can go to Boost and you can buy your own stuff. money on my team. That's all. But you can buy food. And then, yeah, that's all I gotta say about it. And yeah, that's all I gotta say for this video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. One more thing, I would just like to appreciate how good I made this look. Yeah, it's my channel picture. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Love you guys. Bye.